kit is sealed with tape. Hey, let's see. Yeah, not a lot of parts. Here's the door cards. Looks like the firewall, the seat, and the seat backs. The hood. It's got like a metallic flake to it. It's pretty neat. So I'll probably just try polishing it, you know. Interior tub. Not bad, not bad. Here's some glass. I'm going to leave that inside. Tail lights. A little bit of flash on it, not a big deal. Looks like the radiator. Part of the manifold, intake manifold, the steering wheel. Let's check out these tires. Big tires, rubber, very squishy. Nice tread on them though. I think they're gonna look mean. Chrome tree, one piece. Wow, that's a record. Nice wheels. Should be easy to come off the sprue. It's got full engine detail. I like it. The exhaust and the rotors. Chassis, one-piece chassis. It's all right. We'll have to do some hand painting. That's okay. Or maybe not. Maybe I'll just assemble it. Here's the dashboard and the front suspension. Pre-painted glass, that's sweet. And here's the body. Hold on a second. How sweet is that, huh? This thing looks awesome. Pre-painted. Here you go. This is going to be my entry into the Assemblers Unite, hashtag Assemblers Unite, box dot group build hosted by Link at Link Scale Models and Shaggy over at Shaggy's Awesome Garage. Now for the mail call. So this mail call is from Dave at Woody Scale Model Garage, Dave Wood. Go over there and check his channel out. He's I consider to be a world-class builder. He won't think that, but he's just humble, and he's a great advocate for the hobby, and he's a good friend of mine, and I appreciate him, not for just sending stuff, but just to, we talk once in a while, and I could tell he's a really good guy, and he's a pleasure to have as a friend. Dave, you didn't have to do this, but I truly appreciate it. Like I said, you're a good advocate for the hobby, Dave. If I've noticed that, like a lot of the real good builders, they want to share what they know, and so I have a card here. I'm going to keep that personal, and thank you, Dave, for the card. I really do appreciate it. So Dave sent me an airbrush, and I can always use. I just started, so I have a couple in my arsenal. But we talked on the phone, and he said that he wanted me to try this out and have it. And this thing appears to be brand new sealed. I don't know. Dave, thank you. I love this community. I really do. Just because of the kindness people show one another. Not just by, giving stuff, but, that's a plus too. But just, people are kind. I love that. He sent me the Gallery 39 airbrush, the advanced. Thank you. It's the 0.35 and the 0.5 millimeter dual action. Dave gets sponsored by Gallery, and Gallery is a good airbrush. I bought a couple, and I used Dave's code one time, and then I used Manny's code one time, and I'm going to be getting some of those Gallery pens, and I'm going to be trying that, and I'll be using Dave's code for that for sure. So, like Gallery fashion, they put the breakdown on the inside. It gives the, I believe, test pattern. Well, I guess not on this one, but it even has the Gallery doesn't do this anymore. That's too bad, but they used to give you some lube. But what a great brush. Beautiful. Thank you, Dave. I'm going to be doing a demonstration with it. Thank you very much. You're awesome, buddy. Got two size caps. This, yeah, you do a nice couple coats with this, 2 or 3 coats with this on a body. I can't wait to try it. Thank you again, Dave. I appreciate your friendship, and I appreciate all you do for the community. You're a good advocate. All right. Hey, everybody. Just want to say thank you to everybody, all my subscribers, new and old. I love this community. I really do with all my heart, and it's very inspiring in my life. Thank you. If you don't mind subscribing, I'd appreciate it. If not, that's cool. Have a good day anyways, all right? Love you guys. Peace out.